Ladies and gentlemen, this is Azar and Arez Auto. Today we want to do a car stereo upgrade on Opel Zafira. This was the car stereo that was there initially. I already started working on it before, and I remembered I had to do something. I want to install this car stereo. I've already done part of the wiring. I've not concluded it, and the headrest too. So basically, this is the factory harness. I just splice it to get the harness for this car stereo. It has audio and video output. These are for the headrest. These are connectors for the headrest. This is the power and ground, red and black power and ground, red and black power and ground for each of those headrest monitors. This is for the reverse camera. The reverse camera here. I've already wired the reverse camera to the back. So this is the wiring harness. I didn't have an adapter, so I just actually spliced and connected the wires. The speaker wire is already connected except for two of these that has not been connected. So mainly the power, the ground, then the stereo control. The customer is very particular about the stereo control. So that was why he actually changed the set. He wanted stereo control. So we are going to continue. The antenna, this antenna will not actually fit. I didn't have an adapter initially. I just brought this to do a test for the antenna input, but I'll finally change it, get the adapter for the antenna input. So as the work progresses, please stay tuned and watch to the end. Thank you. Okay, now I've finally connected all the wires. I will tidy them up. You can see the stereo control is working. You can actually see that the stereo control is working. This is presently the radio. I want to increase the volume. Decrease the volume. I want to switch. So the stereo control is working very well. Then I want to the reverse camera as well. So you can also see the reverse camera is working as well. So I've just finished testing everything. Now I will couple it and tidy up everything. So the car stereo, actually this can just press this. You can see it slides in. So I'll finish with the upgrade and tidy up everything. I've tidied up everything now. So you can see the car set. You can actually off it from here. You can actually turn it off from here. And at times you can also turn it on from here. Now I'll put it on reverse. On reverse. Immediately on reverse, the screen will slide out, and here you can see reverse. adjust the screen. So remove it from reverse. Back. You can also control the from here. Can control. And mind you, we have the monitors as well. You can see the monitors at the back. So we have successfully upgraded from this to what you now have now. This is Azar and Arez Auto. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. You can like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you for watching.